Good morning to all of you. This is a CPC, Civil Procedure Case, very peculiar case, decision given by Jammu and Kashmir High Court. The case law is Abdul Aziz Bhatt and others, versus Hilal Ahmad Bhatt. Both of them are brothers. In CMM number 27 by 2023, dated 12/5/2023, decided by single judge Wasim Sadiq Nargal, because it's a Jammu and Kashmiri, the names may be spelled it differently. So here the point is, when there are two issues, number one regarding the territorial jurisdiction, Order 7, Rule 10. Then regarding amendment of pleading, Order 6, Rule 17. Then rejection of the plaint, Order 7, Rule 11. When these three are there. So to simplify, when the territorial jurisdiction has to be decided first, or whether the amendment has to be taken up first. These are the issues. Now the High Court clearly clarified that. First of all, decide the territorial jurisdiction. Then you can allow the amendment. Nowadays, courts are liberally allowing the amendment of pleadings. Right. Now, Order 7, Rule 10. This is dealing with the returning of the plaint. If the court does not have jurisdiction, territorial jurisdiction, definitely they will return the plaint, saying that Arey Baba, go and file the concerned court. Order 7, Rule 11, rejection of the plaint. First of all, decide the jurisdiction, then you can return. Of course, if there is no cause of action, other things, you can reject the plaint also. Order 6, Rule 17, amendment of pleading. Of course, it can be given in so many occasions. The only thing is, the basic structure should not be disturbed. The plaint should not be changed. Right. Now, if you go to the facts of the case, the dispute between brothers regarding a family settlement deed dated 15/7/2012 and which was registered on 19/7/2012. The property is located in different places and the case was filed in Budgam, Senior Civil Judge Budgam. So basically the court said that we don't have the territorial jurisdiction because much of the property is located elsewhere and most of the, only a little bit of property is located here. Whatever it is, whether the point is, definitely that the defendant raised objection that the court does not have territorial jurisdiction. He filed the case, it was taken on file and actually he has gone, the other side has gone for amendment of the pleadings. At that time, this problem has come that court, you don't have jurisdiction. According to section 16 CPC, deals with the suit where the subject matter is situated. Right. Now, the court has civil judge decided the issue of territorial jurisdiction first. The judge of Budgam, civil judge of Budgam, he said territorial jurisdiction has to be decided first and this property falls out of the jurisdiction of Budgam. Therefore, the plaint is returned. But the matter was taken to the appellate court. Appellate court said, no, first of all you take the amendment. You see that it is numbered, take the amendment first. Then you can decide the jurisdiction. It is a fit case to decide the amendment first. So they have, now matter has come to the High Court. High Court, basing on the very famous case law of Kundal Mal and others versus Tikaram Shivaji and others, 1959, held that the judge of Budgam is correct because he has to decide Order 7, Rule 10, whether the court has got territorial jurisdiction or not. If it doesn't have the territorial jurisdiction, they cannot take up the case because if the decree is given without jurisdiction, it is a void decree. Is it not? So then, as far as Order 6, Rule 17, after the territorial jurisdiction is fixed, if he files before the concerned court, if there are amendments like cleaning of the dates, correction of the dates or correction of memo like that, yes, it will be allowed. So between these two, the first point is the territorial jurisdiction has to be decided, then the other part. So this is what the court wanted to tell. Very fine point. Normally, we don't have clash in that points also. No, I did not come across such points. But anyway, since the matter has come, it's a very good issue for the CPC students. So jurisdiction has to be decided first, then amendment can be taken up anywhere. This is the crux of the case. Please read the judgment and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.